different environment today, boys. So I got here. By the way, welcome to the vlog. Welcome to Gary's garage. Today's not Maddie's garage, it's Gary's garage. So I came over to help Gary put a new spoiler on his car, and we figured we're gonna give you. I wasn't going to make a video, but Gary's like, where's the video? So here it is. We are doing this carbon spoiler, which is beautiful. It's beautiful. He got this from Junior Unlimited's Auto Lab. Junior, this thing looks amazing, dude. Me and Gary measure. We're not gonna show a lot, just we're gonna show like basically the final result. But the thing is, you see how long this is here, because this goes to the fender. I'll show you guys when we are done with the taping. And this is a good thing to say though. Somebody said that to me. Actually, it was Senior. He said that to me once, and I have to.
Don't drill a hole.
No. No. He said like aftermarket stuff never fits 100%.
Well, that's right.
And that's like I'm like, you know,
the
witness.
why I got it.
Right.
It doesn't fit Junior's car.
Right. And because the Junior's car is so wide, there's such a huge gap. But anyway, what we did, we tape everything with painter's tape, and we drill the holes. That's the part the Corvette owners hated.
Yeah, that's a little.
So now Gary's part of the gang. So I have so many holes here, but yeah, we're gonna use all of them. Right. So we drill the holes, we mark it, and we drill the holes. Right now, what are we doing? We are putting this. How they call this?
I don't know. It's just for windows.
Premium rubber. Yeah, it's going here because again, aftermarket stuff looks great, but the fitment, it's not right there. Let's put it that way. It's not there. But so we're gonna put this, so it's gonna, when you look from, you're gonna see when we're done with it. You don't have any gap. This thing, funny enough, I use on my hood, because my hood, when we put the hood on, again, aftermarket stuff doesn't fit the way it should. So we put this to make up the space. This thing looks great. Gary just finished. What we're gonna do now, this thing is strong, dude.
I'm telling you, dude.
We're gonna use this Scott tape.
Where are we gonna put it? Like right along the
yeah,
edge?
I would put all the way through it.
So at least along this edge we want to do.
Right. Put it on the edge. Like, you see how thick is this, right?
It's not thick.
And how wide it is. Okay, yeah.
1 inch.
I use the entire 1 inch all the way across. And here, where you see from here to here, maybe we put a 1.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So we have all the way through it. So we're gonna tape it up, and we're gonna put this bad boy on place.
I'm a good looking guy. I can see my fat stomach. Yeah, that I see.
Give it to me.
You're getting it around the bend.
I think you can do it.
Plus, it was $500.
Yeah, I don't want $500.
I don't want it to go down flying down the Route 80.
I don't want $500 flying away. Especially if I'm driving back. I'm right behind you.
Yeah, as long as you're videotaping, it'll be footage. This is an addiction. Maddie has me hooked. Yeah, he's got me hooked for sure.
It's like we were talking about the addiction. Like, we cannot stop modifying our cars. But dude,
last week was seats. This week's a spoiler.
You know one thing that I'm serious now. I'm not joking. A friend of mine said to me, like, you know, we could do drugs, we could do bad stuff. We're just having fun with our cars, though, right?
Yep.
The goal here is to put tape all the way across, so we don't have a problem with, you know, this thing flying off. I think once you have the screws on, it's not gonna fly anywhere. But some people just do the tape, some people just do the hardware. It's totally up to you. And I'm saying, like, I think we're just going the extra mile here, right? So we're professional.
Nothing cheap done on the car so far.
No, why are we gonna cheap it out on this, right?
You know,
the only thing cheap on this car is the driver.
That's right. Why don't you keep going? Do the whole damn car.
I'll do the spoiler for you.
I got all this stuff to do this stuff with. I just got to do it.
I'm barely touchy for everybody saying something. Because, you know, everybody's a detailer, right? Everybody knows, oh, don't do this. Okay, dude.
Don't use that. Don't drill holes.
Don't drill holes in your car. We drew like a bunch today.
There's a bunch of holes in this car now, and I never thought I would have ever done that. But hanging out with Maddie,
you gotta stop hanging out with me.
I'm gonna rip the damn motor out of it soon, and I got to talk Joe out of his carbon side skirts that he bought.
He got it already.
I know. Got to talk him out of them. I put a thing on our group. I said, Joe, sell me them side skirts. He said, Gary, show me your spoiler.
The only thing I'm afraid is to put a leak on my car carbon fiber. Because it's going to break.
Yeah. Do you hate coming out of your driveway?
No. But like...
That's got to be so close.
How was leaving your driveway that day? How was my car leaving your driveway? Doesn't that gets low when you do this?
My car rubs that, but you don't have that thing sticking down anymore, right? Really? My car,
but I just have in the middle. Like I got rid of because it's like a 3-piece thing. I kept the middle one. You know what I'm saying? And you see how cool my car runs.
It runs cooler than mine, and I was afraid
I think it's because of the hood though.
I asked Senior about that. I told him my car was running like 199, 205. He said, you got to put a different thermostat in the car, make it run like a 160.
Oh, yeah. That's what I have.
He said, we'll throw, oh, you do?
When I did the Kim swipe, I put a 160.
Yeah, he's told me, he goes, we'll put a 160 in the car, it'll be better.
But it's not hot, though.
Yeah. Well, I'm afraid to do a lip and then overheat the thing. So you're running about 10 degrees cooler than me with a 160 thermostat in there. So I would have to do that, put a lip on this car.
I think it's the thermostat, and also my hood has 6 vents on it.
Yeah.
Which the heat comes off.
No vent.
No vent yet.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. I think it's done.
There we go.
Dude, look at that thing. Looks good.
Yeah. I wouldn't have had that if I didn't talk to you. That wouldn't be on the car.
You did the right choice. Not buying car in Carlisle.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's more money, but it's worth it.
I mean, you get what you pay for, right? The only thing is, you guys saw, there was a scratch here, so I used this thing that Gary got it. Correction from Grills. It's pretty good. My first time using it. And then I polish on top of it. So Gary's gonna get a better job. He's gonna get into it. So just for now, so we can do some montages.
There you go.
Let's do a montage of this bad boy.
There you go, buddy. Thank you. Thank you as always, my brother.
All right. My pleasure. I feel like I'm doing something for my car. Really, it feels like I'm doing something for my car. I'm happy for you. The car's coming along though.
We're getting there.
We're getting there. This season was a crazy season. New wheels, new seats, spoiler.
Wheels,
seats.
New seats in this baby.
New seats, spoiler.
Did the spoiler. I don't know what else I did this year. Tires.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Now we're going to do some engine stuff.
Yep, this winter.
Yeah, we're going to do like
This
headers.
winter we'll put some wrenches on it.
We're going to do headers and the next spot to make it sound better. And I think one thing we can do though is wheel spacers.
Yeah.
I think your wheels, my car was like this.
Thanks, bro.
As always, thank you. We're together on this. of this car, it's done.
My favorite part of this car is the back of the car.
It's
dude.
done.
You got the little red light down there on
Right, right. Right. So the tail lights, well, we were talking, the tail light was also done this year, so side marks. Now that you complete the back, you just start working our way up to the front. The thing is, I told you that do the leap first and then you do the side skirts.
Yeah.
Because it's gonna look weird. It's gonna look like something is missing or you broke the lip. You know what I'm saying? But the next step is the front lip and side skirts. If you have a front lip to sell,
yeah, let us know.
In carbon fiber though, it has to be in carbon fiber. Car looks amazing, amazing, amazing. All right, one more. So let us know what you think. One more for the books. This one was pretty easy. Not easy, but it was quick.
The third brake light took us longer.
Exactly. When we did the tail lights, the third brake lights was awful. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what do you think about Gary's car. Again, if you have a front lip or side skirts for a C5 Corvette in carbon fiber, send me a message or send him a message. He always look at the comments. He's gonna buy it. Good price though. I'll catch you guys next one. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.